Today we are going to talk about the building blocks of the universe. So, what is the universe made of? All matter around us is made up of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of the universe and they make up everything around us. And what are atoms made up of? Atoms mainly consist of three types of particles. Those are electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged and they are extremely light when compared to protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged particles and neutrons are neutral particles. Protons and neutrons come together and they form a small spherical structure that is situated right at the center of the atom. That is called the nucleus of the atom. It's often also referred to as the heart of the atom or the core. So the nucleus is where the protons and neutrons are situated. Remember, the protons are positively charged. This means that the positive charges have electrostatic repulsion between them. And to hold these electrostatically repelling protons together, neutrons are there. So they kind of increase the distance a bit and then kind of neutralize their repulsion a bit. And all of these neutrons and protons are held together with the help of nuclear forces. Nuclear forces are a type of forces that are extremely strong. There are 118 different elements that have been already identified in the universe, which include the familiar hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and even the metals like gold, silver, platinum. All these are elements. Now we have identified 118 elements. Most of them were discovered in nature and the others was actually made in laboratories using nuclear reactions like technetium and promethium and all transuranium elements. They were made in nuclear reactors in laboratories. The others are stable and they are found around us. So what makes each element different? When we are talking about an element, it has something like an address. It has an atomic number. An atomic number is the number of protons or electrons in a neutral atom. So, if it's an ion, it might be a lesser number or a higher number. And there is something called the mass number, which is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, which means that it is the number of nucleons present in that atom. But what will help you to actually identify an element? It is the atomic number. The atomic number, specifically the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom. If the atom is an ion, that means that it still is, if we are talking about lithium plus ion, it is still lithium. The element does not change, it's still lithium, even though it has only 2 electrons around it, the nucleus, it's still lithium. So that means that the proton number, that is what gives the identity to an atom. I hope that was helpful for you. Have fun exploring. Thank you.